Hi, it's Jeff from the Stream Machines. Let me ask you something. How many times have you or anyone you know started a show, stopped watching, and then had no idea what episode you left off on? Be honest. Or maybe you started something on one device and couldn't find it again on a different device. Most people buy powerful streaming devices each and every day, but they use them like it's cable from 2005. Today, I'm going to show you the one tool that has changed and can turn your streaming device into a real system. It's called Trakt. Let's jump in. Hi again, it's Jeff from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. So the real problem, here's the truth. Most streaming setups, like maybe you have or what I used to have no memory. They don't track your episodes. They don't track your movies. They don't organize your watch history. So you know what happens next. You waste time searching. You have to restart episodes. You even forget what you watched. That's not a device problem. That's a tracking problem. And we're going to take a look at the number one tool. This is Trakt. What I want you to do is think of it like Netflix level tracking, but for your setup and not someone else's. This system remembers what you watch. It tracks what episodes you're on. It builds you a personal watch history, and it creates a unified watch list and syncs it on every one of your connected devices. This simple free app, and there's a VIP that's very inexpensive, lets you discover what's hot, where to stream it, track shows, movies, share comments. You can track apps. You have community apps. You can sync your favorite, automatically sync your watched history and ratings from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Apple TV, Paramount Plus, and so much more. So it syncs with everything that we're using today. All of the streaming applications or services, you can use this to keep you one step ahead of being in boredom and forgetting what you're watching. It's not hard when the entertainment's right in front of us. So what I'm going to do, you can join Trakt for free, but I'm going to go ahead and sign in here because I have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now again, Trakt turns your streaming device into a streaming system. Without it, you're going to be guessing. With it, you're going to be organized. Without it, you're going to just pick things at random, but with it, it's going to feel like premium. This is what I've been tracking, or it's been tracking for me. This is my account. It's free. I can't watch anything from here. It is a tracking system that you can put on all your devices, and it syncs in all of the devices. So there's upcoming schedule so I can follow in the next 5 days, in the next 2 days. It is going to give me a history all the way down of what I've been watching all the way through. I'm going to show you how powerful this is by simply in the next video showing you how it will connect to Kodi. I'm going to show you how I connect this free service to Kodi, and you can see for yourself how simple, how powerful, and how needed this is if you want to continue with excellence when you're streaming. Okay. So if you've learned something new today, hit the like button, comment Trakt. If you want the full setup breakdown in the next video, I will help you get that. This is Jeff from the Stream Machines, wishing you guys the best, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.